Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create TikTok videos with InVideo AI and turn simple ideas into short, engaging content for your audience. First, open InVideo AI and sign in to your account. Start a new AI video project and decide on one clear topic for your TikTok video. Before creating the video, think about your audience and the type of content you want to make. You can create educational tips, product content, tutorials, entertaining videos, facts, or promotional content. Next, write a detailed prompt for InVideo AI. Describe the topic, tone, visual style, target audience, and the main message you want viewers to understand. Make your opening strong and direct. Instead of spending too much time introducing the topic, get to the main point quickly. Once your prompt is ready, let InVideo AI generate the first version. The AI can create the script, scenes, visuals, voiceover, and other elements based on your instructions. When the video is ready, preview it from beginning to end. Start by checking the first few seconds and make sure they immediately capture attention. Next, review the script and remove anything unnecessary. TikTok content usually works better when the message is short, focused, and easy to understand. Now check the visuals in each scene. Make sure they match the narration and keep the viewer interested. You can also choose an AI voice that fits the style of your content. For TikTok videos, a clear and energetic voice can help maintain attention. After that, review the subtitles and on-screen text. Keep important words large, readable, and easy to understand on a mobile screen. You can also add background music, but keep the volume low enough that the narration remains clear. Next, check the pacing. Avoid long pauses and make sure each scene moves smoothly into the next one. If a scene doesn't fit your content, edit it directly.